How to create a live trading account in Ospreyfx. I will show you how to easily create a live trading account on Ospreyfx. First, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. In the search bar, type Ospreyfx and press enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search result. This will take you to the Ospreyfx official website. Once you are on the website, find and click on the sign up button. You will be directed to a registration page where you need to enter your basic information. Enter your first name, middle name, and any last name. Provide a valid email address and create a secure password. Read the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Finally, click on the sign up button. An email will be sent to the address you provided. Open your Gmail inbox and find the verification email from Ospreyfx. Click on the verification link in the email to verify your account. After verifying your email, you will be prompted to enter more details about yourself. Enter your contact number, provide your birth date, and select your gender and preferred currency for trading. Fill in your address details, including your city and zip code. You will see options for marketing preferences, newsletter subscriptions, offers, promotions, and notifications. Check these options according to your preference. Click on the Continue button to proceed. As you can see, our live trading account on Ospreyfx has been successfully created. Now we are ready to start trading on Ospreyfx.